Once upon a time, a careless boast led to the most bizarre bargain in the kingdom, and it all started with a king who had a fierce obsession with glittering fashion.
My daughter is special. She spins straw into gold. Gold? I love gold. Bring her to me now. Spin this straw for my new party cloak.
Your Majesty, please. I do not know how.
If she succeeds, she becomes my queen. And if she fails, my lord. You will clean the royal horse stables for 1 whole year. Oh no, I am too old for that.
Please help me save my father. Will you?
Magic is not free. What will you give me?
I have this simple hairpin. Is it enough?
A shiny pin. Not real gold, but it is shiny enough for me.
Please hurry. The sun will rise soon.
Spin the straw, make it bright. Magic in the dark night.
Your song is strange, but the magic is real.
Watch the magic happen. Round and round we go.
It is real. You are making beautiful gold.
Here is your gold, my lady. Keep your promise.
Thank you. My father is safe for tonight.
It is warm. The gold is warm to the touch.
Of course it is. Magic requires energy, lady.
Amazing. But I need more gold for my cloak.
More? But I am so tired, Your Majesty.
Do it again tonight, and you will be queen.
You did not lie. Your daughter is a treasure.
Yes, sire. Can we go home now?
Home? No. I need more gold for my boots.
But she is exhausted, Your Majesty.
Wake up, lazy bones. We have a lot of work.
I was dreaming of a quiet life without gold. You came back. I need your magic again.
Of course I did. What is your payment tonight?
I only have this crystal bracelet.
Beautiful. I will take this shiny little thing. Look at me. I look so fabulous in crystal.
It fits you well. Now, please start spinning.
Where do you learn this magic? From the forest?
A magician never reveals his shiny secrets.
Spinning, spinning. More gold for the greedy king.
You work so fast. I can finally rest.
One last time. Spin this and we marry tomorrow.
This is too much. I cannot do it.
If you fail, your father cleans the stables tomorrow.
No, please. Do not leave me alone here. I have nothing left to give you.
Nothing.
Nothing.
Everyone has something they care about.
Look, my pockets are empty. Please help me.
I will make a special deal with you tonight. When you become queen, you will get a corgi dog.
A dog? But I do not have a dog yet.
Promise to give me that cute corgi dog later.
Give you my future pet? That is a strange deal. I promise. Just save my father from the stables.
A promise is a promise. Let us make gold.
Do you promise to never hurt the little dog?
I love dogs. I just want a cute companion.
Gold! Beautiful gold! You did it!
Yes, Your Majesty. The straw is now gold.
Today, you are my beautiful queen.
Thank you, my king. I am very happy.
I promise to love you, my golden queen.
I promise to be a good wife, my king.
A special gift for you, my lovely wife.
Oh my goodness! It is a cute little corgi! Go catch the ball, my sweet little friend! You! What are you doing here?
Hello again, Your Majesty. I came for my prize.
You promised me the dog. Give it to me!
No! Please, he is my best friend!
Look here. Your invisible signature on our magic deal.
I will buy you 10 other dogs. Please!
I will give you diamonds, gold, anything else.
He will be sad without me. Please have mercy.
Fine. You cry too much. I will give you a chance. You have 3 days to guess my true name.
3 days? And if I guess it right? Go quickly! Collect every strange name in the kingdom.
Yes, my queen. I will run as fast as I can.
Is your name Brave? Or maybe Bold?
Wrong and wrong. Try harder, my queen.
What about short legs? Or a big head?
You're terrible at this game. Goodbye!
I asked every village. Here is a new list, Queen.
Did you find more names? We only have 2 days left.
Are there any magical names in this old book?
What about Balthazar? Is he a Balthazar?
He looks too silly to be a Balthazar, honestly.
Balthazar? That sounds like an old wizard.
I will find the truth. You wait and see.
Are you Skinny Legs? Or maybe Green Hair?
Boring names. You are going to lose your dog.
No, wait! Give me my last day!
Tomorrow is the end. Say goodbye to the puppy.
1 day left. Tomorrow I bring a dog leash.
You are cruel. But I will not give up. You look exhausted. Did you find anything?
Queen, I saw something very strange in the deep forest. A tiny man in a colorful suit was dancing around a fire.
A colorful suit? Yes. Tell me more about him.
Tomorrow the corgi is mine. Nobody knows my secret. My name is Rumpelstiltskin, the smartest of all.
Rumpelstiltskin, you saved my dog. Thank you so much.
You are welcome, my queen. It is a very weird name. Move aside, big guy. I am here for my puppy.
You may enter, strange little man.
Tick-tock! The time is over. Hand him over.
You are very eager to take my little friend. I have a few more names to guess. Let me try.
What? You still want to play? Fine, say it.
Is your name John? Or maybe Peter?
John? Peter? Are you joking? Pack the dog's bags.
Is it a name shouted by the campfire in the dark woods?
Woods? Campfire? Who told you about that?
Could your name be Rumpelstiltskin?
What? How do you know that word?
The devil told you! The devil told you!
No devil, just my clever messenger, Rumpelstiltskin.
I will not accept this. I want the dog now.
The magic deal is broken. You lost fairly.
I hate this. I hate this kingdom. I hate that dog.
You must leave now, Rumpelstiltskin. Do not come back.
Help me! I cannot move my arms!
I cannot touch magic yarn. You are on your own. Have a good journey, Mr. Rumpelstiltskin.
This is so embarrassing.
Goodbye, little man. Have a safe trip out of my castle.
That is a very fast ball of gold. Help me!
Everything is quiet now. Are you all right, my love?
I am perfectly fine. We are safe now.
Who was that noisy man rolling away?
Just a bad dream, my king. He is gone forever.
Our little dog is very happy today.
Yes, and he will stay with us forever.
We never saw the tiny man again. Magic is tricky, but love is stronger.
There are many more magical stories waiting for you. Like and subscribe for more easy English fairy tales. See you in the next story.